Okay, so OpenAI just released a new browser, I think a couple days back. So I'm gonna use Chrome normally to check this browser out to see if it's better than Chrome, the amount of memory it consumes, and other things that is browser related. So if I type Atlas, let me just type Atlas. Atlas. What the fuck? Atlas. What am I typing, bro? Atlas, yeah. Okay. Oh, don't see that. What up, baby? Introducing Atlas, October 21st. Today's 25th. So it was released 4 days ago. Okay, now let's just see. I didn't know for that. So let me just download from Mac OS. Oh, I mean, this was just supposed to download. Anyway, it's this yoink you into a different app. With the same video. Brother, yo, what up, baby? What was the purpose of having another tab open with a different layout and not just download it? Anyway, let me just go ahead. Boom. What? Another tab, bro. But the target is blank, so I guess it's gonna auto download. Yes, sir. What up, baby? Yeah, started downloading. Don't mind my speed. It's crazy. Anyways, we'll be back when it's done downloading.
A few moments later.
Alright, so it's downloaded. So let's go ahead and open it. I'm just gonna click this real quick and double click to run the image. Alright, so I'm just gonna drag this into the application folder and boom, install. Now let me close everything. No, not close everything. Minimize everything that I have right here. So I'm just gonna close this window. And another thing I like to always do is make sure that I eject the disk image. Where's eject? What the heck? Oh, is it? Eject. Nice. Boom. So let's go. I'm just gonna try to add this to my favorite. So I'm just gonna drag this to my favorite. Nice, so that I can easily access it. Moment of truth. Let's go. All right. So Atlas. ChatGPT Atlas is okay. Open it. Login with ChatGPT. Whoa, you see the yo, what up, baby? You can see like all these AI flurs behind. So I mean, let's go ahead and let me log in. So I'm just gonna continue with Google. Use the OAuth stuff. What? Let me just put my stuff. So random. Come. Allow. Alright, so I'm just going to turn on Bluetooth. Bluetooth must be on to use passkey on a different device. You can always manage this in settings. Anyways, let's go ahead and turn it on. Use your phone or tablet. Scan this QR code with the camera on the device. Okay, so I'm just gonna use my phone real quick to scan this. So use passkey. I have a passkey connected to my phone. Oh, rather in my phone. So I'm just gonna yoink all of this together and verify myself, and boom, it's done. So let's see what up, baby. Bro, so they're already telling me that I should import my data from Chrome. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna skip that. I can do that later. Or turn on browser memories. Allow ChatGPT to remember useful details as you browse to give smarter responses, and proactive suggestions. You are in control. Memories stay private. What? Ask ChatGPT on any website. Open the ChatGPT sidebar on any website to summarize, explain, and handle tasks. Right next to what you are browsing. Bro, this is a ChatGPT browser going on. All right, let's see. Make your cursor a collaborator. ChatGPT can help you draft emails, write reviews, or fill out forms. Highlight text inside a form field or doc and click the ChatGPT logo to get started. All right, let's go ahead and do that. Set hell no. I have to test it first, then I'll do that. Skip. You are all set. Welcome to Atlas. Have fun exploring the web with ChatGPT by your side, all while staying in control of your data and privacy. And see, has some kind of join ChatGPT. Oh, so they put the days, number of days that you have made using ChatGPT, only some 644 days ago. Then now they have my name. Then they put the time that you downloaded the browser or you joined the browser using your email, for example. So done. Let's go ahead. What up, baby? All right, first view. It looks like ChatGPT. Oh, what up, baby? I feel like Google is cooked because here normally on Chrome browser we're going to have something like Google search here. So now we have ChatGPT search. Let me click a new tab and see again. Whoa! So this is a default screen. So if I want to okay, let me just search something. Let me search Google Chrome. I just want to see something. Google Chrome. Yeah. What up, baby? It looks holy. I don't like the design of this. Like, let me just switch to Chrome real quick and see. Let me just search Google Chrome. I don't know if it's because I'm used to this stuff. Like, I'm used to everything being like on the left hand side, and on the left hand side, and I can easily kind of scroll and switch to images. Let me just see something real quick. Here I can switch to search images, videos. What? Okay, let me see something. Videos, images. Wait, it's as if Chrome is a little bit faster when it comes to loading these things. Let me see. Hold up, let me go to images and scroll real quick. Look at. Brother. Anyways, let me highlight and see if it's going to show me how many memory this tab is using. Anyways, what up, baby? Let me just create a new stuff and let me do activity monitor. I just want to see how much memory this is using right here. Memory. Oh, I'm on memory. Then ChatGPT Atlas. It's using. Whoa, that's mind blowing. That's crazy. Like, look at the number of threads it's using, 11 compared to Chrome. Chrome is using 46 threads and more memory. And you can see we have another one called Google Chrome Helper, and it's using 320.2 megabytes of memory. Brother. Anyways, let's see. Bro, I feel like Chrome is cooked. Anyways. What up? Bro, this is Chrome is fucked up, bro. Alright, let's see. Let me see download on App Store. Okay, let me see how it looks like. Bro, it's as if it takes more time to load things. I feel like the thing is loaded. I don't know if it's my internet. Alright, let me just do the same thing on Chrome, for example, and see. Let me just go to all. What the hell? All. Click on this. I feel like it's my internet. Oh, no, no, no. What up, baby? Chrome is faster at loading things. You see, like it's really fast compared to Atlas. I feel like where's Atlas at? Bro, okay. I'm just gonna close I'm just gonna close all the tabs, then I'll leave just one tab. So 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna use this tab as an example in it. So if I hover on Chrome, it's gonna show me the memory used. Imagine this tab is using almost half a gigabyte of memory. Holy, that's so fucking large compared to Atlas. If you hover, they don't show you that. So let me look for settings. So this settings. Oh, what up, baby? As I said, web browsing, personal data control, agent mode. Right, let me go to general. Check. Wait. Tab style classic. Wait, let me see. So you can change the tabs. Let me see scrolling tabs. Whoa, classic. Oh, okay. So you can select light theme, dark theme. I'm a dark theme guy, so my system is going to be dark. So yeah. Holy, I feel like it's kind of like a copy of Chrome. I feel like it does. Looks identical. The thing is, right here, like on the bottom, rather on the top right, we just have ask ChatGPT, for example. So let me just try to hover this and double click. Ask ChatGPT about. Oh, ask ChatGPT about the browser that. Okay, let me just do something, for example. Oh, what up, baby? So it opens like a small tab, right? Then I'll say you can ask anything. Right, let me just do something. Let me search for wait, can you wait. Or let me just say we work remotely. Okay. Oh, brother. So when you type something, it just do a ChatGPT, just a ChatGPT search. It's like you're chatting with ChatGPT in it, and it doesn't make sense to me. It's cool, yeah, when you want to know something, but it doesn't make sense. All right, let me just go to search. Oh, so the brother, I'm trying to search this, right? So the default was supposed to be search. Then here I can kind of yoink into where I want to be, or the site I want to be to do whatever I want to do. For example, but brother. Alright, so yes, Matik. I feel like the browser is kind of 100% focused on AI, and it's cool. It doesn't take a lot of memory, but I'm not gonna lie, bro. Once you're used to Google Chrome, like to migrate to another browser is really difficult because it's like they have all your data, your auto logins, and everything. But anyways, I'm just gonna keep trying. I'm just gonna try out this browser, and I think I'll make another video to actually see if this browser is better or it even matches the performance and maybe even surpasses that of Google Chrome. I can't really tell now. I just have to yoink and go through every functionality it has, and yeah, so that's it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.